Hello everyone, I am Han Xiao, the product manager of NebulaGraph. Today, I am here to share a series of significant improvements in the latest released version of NebulaGraph. NebulaGraph is a high-performance distributed graph database. The 3.4 version is a milestone for NebulaGraph, as we have significantly optimized the performance, improving over 60% compared to the previous version. In addition, this is a long-term supported version that lasts for 3 years. Therefore, I recommend upgrading to this version to experience a faster and more stable NebulaGraph. First, I will introduce the new features of the database. In previous versions, when the session pool was full, you had to wait for the timeout. So, we added the kill session command, which can manually close the session that has not logged out. Please note that this command can only be executed by the root user. To optimize memory management, improve the stability of NebulaGraph, and reduce the probability of being out of memory, we have added the memory tracker. You can modify the corresponding parameters in the storage configuration file to dynamically adjust the available memory, periodically clean up the memory, etc. Next, let's talk about the feature changes. In the new version of NebulaGraph, we have made many modifications and optimizations to the full text index feature. We have removed some usage restrictions and simplified the installation, deployment, and usage of it. We have also updated the ngql query statement. In previous versions, accessing the property of a tag on the v node in the existing query statement as displayed in the picture was allowed. Now in version 3.4.0, you need to use v.tag.property to indicate the tag property, which can avoid the issue caused by duplicate property names of different tags. We have disabled using the where clause and optional match to filter data. In addition to the above changes, NebulaGraph version 3.4 also fixes a variety of issues, including those in the execution plan, query statements, and other functions. If you would like to see more specific information about the pull requests that address these issues, please click on the link below the video. That's all for the database.